The toss once again will be critical, and it was Rahul Dravid who won the toss this time, and he had no hesitation in asking Pakistan to bat first. The teams announced for this third one-day international. The super sub for Pakistan is Umar Gul. They don't have any spinners. Yasir Arafat has come in place of Arshad Khan.
Here we go. Oh, there's some swing.
Freshness on the surface.
Outside Archie. No, he's got it. He has. India. Big one. Gambir at second slip. The corner of it.
Start. Irfan Pathan has come to the party again. Beautiful movement. He had to play it. It was angled into him. Swinging away late. The outside edge. A wobble. But he hung on, the youngster. God, he must have had his heart in his mouth for a moment. But aren't they ecstatic? Got rid of Salman Butt for naught. Pakistan are 1 for none.
Magnificent shot. Cameron Akmal. Big hit, this might be out. It's high, they're getting underneath it. Kaif, he's got it. Big wicket. I just can't believe he's gone for a big one. Big outside edge, and he can't believe he's thrown it high up in the air. It's gone forever. The thing's got cheese on it, and he's taken it easily. Gee, another big wicket there for India. Shahid Afridi's gone for 19, and now Pakistan 39 for 2.
Another push drive, another 4. It whistled away to the boundary. That smashed hard now. This is his business zone, Kamran Akmal. He thrives in this area.
That could be out. It is. Again, the batsman looking to
close the face of the bat. Bit too early. Leading edge. No problem there for a mid-on fielder. Akmal goes for 34. Pakistan 75 for 3.
excellent delivery. And he gets another. That was a beautiful delivery.
That one didn't really come back. The last couple of deliveries just came back a little bit. This one just went through with the arm. And Muhammad Yusuf could only finish his 7,000 here. One gone for 1, 82 for 4.
There you go. Finally, we've got a boundary. Pakistan, the skipper, starts to throw.
He's too good a player. It's taken and gone. Inzamam ul Haq will walk. It's
a little gentle outswinger there. Inzamam ul Haq looking to guide that to the third man. Once again, a little fumble there, but taken. Huge wicket for the Indians. And look at that. Sachin knows the importance of this. 1-2-8 for 5.
50 for Shoaib Malik. His third of the series. Hat-trick of 50s. And he's emerged as a lead.
Oh!
Played it fine. Yunus Khan will get a 4, even though this outfield is not a...
That's 4. That is 4. That's a...
Edge and gone. Dhoni takes a neat catch. RP Singh strikes again. What a game he picked up early by India.
Little bit of an extra kick from the pitch. He banged that one in. It was a little too close to Yunus Khan. And looking to 58 for 6. Yunus Khan gone for 16.
That's gone. Picked it up very well. Slow delivery. But he saw it.
Outside edge, lacks a fortune. Will go away for 4. He's under 98. Beautiful shot. That'll be it. That'll be his 100. By Gee, your dad will be proud.
What a shot. Took Pakistan out of some trouble. And look at the dressing room. They all know he's been into the 90s. This is the 3rd time. Got his 100. Well played, Shoaib Malik.
Oh, good shot there. Should be 2 at least. Oh, what about 4? Oh, can't believe Andrew is safe. There they are. It's in the air. Should be caught. And it is. Skipper takes the catch. Rahul Dravid. They get the important wicket.
Checked him, giving himself room, looking to hit for a big one, looking for a six there. An easy catch. Well judged catch. It was up in the got the first 100 in this series. 108 gone. 244 for 7.
Well, what about hit it over there for a big one? Yes, it is. That's the sixer. It's hit the rope. There it is again. Going. Gone. 50 up to Razak.
Well, if you think this is going to stay in, you're joking. You're kidding me.
And they're running. They have to run. And he had to run. I don't know what he was staying for. He had to get Razak on strike, but
I don't think Pakistan will mind that. But what a great piece of fielding there. Look at that. One stump to aim and bang. Another wicket down. That's the 8th one gone for 7. Pakistan 277 for 8.
now Yasser Arafat is on strike. He's got to give the strike one feels to Razak. Get one. Gets bat on it. Good batting. Razak just wants one. Don't even think about running 2. Oh. Four. Inside out. Over cover. Viv Richards like. Looking towards the ground. A lot of pressure on this young kid, Sreesanth. Slow ball, double base hit. He has to run 2 no matter what. Arafat must run. He must run. And he makes it down. They threw to the wrong end. They're going to go to the third ump. Picks the ball up. You've through to the wrong end. If you look there, there's no one there at the bowler's end. It's going to be close here. And he makes it. Well, little sacrificial, no matter what, they must try to get 2 of this last ball.
This first inning.
Going! Gee, I thought he got all of it. There was only half going, but they keep running. They've got 2. They'll have to run one more, don't they? Oh, and they did it. Oh, and he's in a bit of trouble too. Yuvraj.
Well, you've got to say, in the end, it was quite a recovery by the Pakistanis. 6 down for 158, and before that, 4 down for 82. But Shoaib Malik, I thought, played a superb innings, watching wickets fall at the other end, which looks pretty good indeed. Well, the bowling figures, when you see Irfan Pathan, was simply terrific. 3 for 49, his 10 overs. Sreesanth, I thought, bowled with a bit of heart again, but slightly expensive, those figures. RP Singh has this wicket-taking ability. You've got to accept that. I thought was, again, a bowler who...
Oh, bowled him round his legs.
Mohammad Asif has this fantastic ability of picking up wickets early. And Gautam Gambhir again getting a little too across on his front leg, just clipping the thigh pad. And going on to the much-needed breakthrough. Gambhir gone for 2. India 12 for 1.
India feel that they need a pinch hitter out there to get to that target and disrupt Pakistan's. Oh, he's getting some swing. Line of the ball. Oh, that's a quick one now. Is that taken? Is that taken? Yes, it has. Mohammad Asif strikes again, and he's energized the Gaddafi Stadium crowd here. What a
good thinking. Surprised the batsman with the short delivery. The batsman couldn't get out of the way. Pathan was the man. Great catch again by Kamran Akmal here at the Gaddafi Stadium. India 12 for 2.
With and 4.
Down to third man, over his head. I think Sachin Tendulkar's heart was getting close to being in his mouth.
And cop that. Don't drop me. or I'll belch it. Again, runs it down, and that'll be his 72nd one-day international 50. Beautiful knock.
So, mind you, his conversion rate is better than 1 in 3.
Ball go. And that'll be 4 more to Rahul Dravid. He joins the Tendulkar show.
Well, I can't help but get the feeling that...
Another single chance for a run out. If he hits, he might be in trouble. He might be in trouble. Direct hit. We're going to the third umpire. He's worked it to the leg side, and again he's thrown down the stumps. Let's have a look. He hits. Is he in frame? He's gone.
Did completely. Just didn't have the power in his legs to reach him to the other end. 22 to Dravid. It's now 84 for 3.
So again, a punchy drive. Well, nobody moved. Wow, that really is something special from Yuvraj Singh. He's played it fine, Sachin Tendulkar. I think it probably brushed the gloves of the keeper as well, but...
This man is batting so well. He's timing his strokes so well. Not the best of shots, but he'll get 4 for it. And here are Shiva and Dean Jones.
And a great 50 it is. Thank you, Mikey. It's his 22nd. Out! 95, they've got another wicket. This game's not over. Razak picks up the important wicket of Sachin Tendulkar. You just thought there was a...
This man again, Abdul Razak, picking up Tendulkar at a very critical time. He sliced at Tendulkar, trying to hit it too hard. Low catch to Imran Farhat, the substitute for his 95. Takes the long walk back. He'll be a disappointed man. It's 189 for 4.
Huge shout, and given. They're in the game now, Pakistan. Oh, what a wicket.
Happy, Mohammad Kaif. Did he get an inside edge? I don't think so. That was plumb as you can get. Clipping the bails. An extremely good job, the umpire. Kaif gone for 0. India 190 for 5.
That's up in the air, that's clear in Zamamul Haq with a lot of ease. On the bounce into the boarding bin. Well, that's gone through. Yasir Arafat feeling the pressure. Well, that's crashed. That ball will whistle away for a 4. Dhoni is hardly taking any balls. Shot 1, it's been put away for another 4. Dhoni's gone to 50 with a big broad smile on his face. He's got every reason to smile on the Indian supporters here. What a knock.
Well, the good thing about his knock is it's just coming in 30.
Shot 1's been dealt with severely once again through square leg. 3 consecutive 4s. In the gap and 4. Nothing can stop Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He's unstoppable.
Yes, and there's been a lot of flexibility in the batting orders of this India.
Should just be a single. Bring Dhoni back on strike. Just one. Aaron, 6 to win. Is he thinking about it? Not quite. But he will get 4. Just another couple of runs needed. It's 287 for 5. Just a single. Scores level. Leg buys, I suspect. It is a leg buy. A leg buy ties the scores. And the entire Indian... Ooh. I agree with this crowd.
That's a happy man in your screen there. He was very...
Estimated his speed. He's got hold of it, don't he? And that's it. It's all over. Ends it with a boundary. India's 11th successful chase in a row. They have won by 5 wickets. India.
Right from the toss, India, apart from those drop catches, have really played well here. Pakistan looked like springing a surprise with the new ball when they started. Really just took it away. And Mahendra Singh Dhoni, well, he can smile, as he should.
Well played, yeah.
Fantastic partnership between the two gentlemen. Yuvraj Singh to Spear. They now lead the series 2-1 India.
Well, that has to be one of the most impressive guns. Made sure that India, in the end, coasted to a win. Looking at the bowling figures, you can see problems there for Navidul Hassan. 8 overs, 72 runs. And Yasir Arafat also slightly disappointing to me. I thought this man wasn't lasting. So there it is. India win by 5 wickets. They take a lead of 2-1. Mahendra Singh Dhoni was adjudged the man of the match.